All right, Tom's gonna back the tractor up to this rig and we're gonna get her pulled out. I think we'll have to just pull out from underneath.
Not gonna save that hood anyway, are you?
I don't think so. We got a tree down on top here, but we think we're gonna pull out from under it. This thing is in here good. You can see the frame here. Here comes the professor of archaeology, Farmer Tom, coming to resurrect and drag out lone wolf out of the bush here. 78 or 79, I can't tell just yet. Can't see the front of it. She's a baseline truck. The F100 is the base model. The F-150's had a little more creature comforts, as it were. This would be the base model. All right, Daddy-o. Try not to get run over here. All right.
I see he's ready to go.
Oh yeah,
he's ahead of the game here. Well, I gotta get out of here. That tree might come this way.
Yeah, it might.
All right.
Okay, the tree is staying. Oh. She's going. Oh, it might even be a 79. Nothing of any significance.
Good mirror. Good mirror.
I think it's broke. Jeez.
Good, brother.
Dragging out half the bush. What the hell?
Want me to get it? I get it.
I just want to come in and film this. Looks like the mirror took out a tree here. I can't get at it. Get her, Tom. This wheel's stuck anyway. Not that that matters, but I gotta get out of here. Oh!
That came out pretty easy, eh?
It didn't come out too bad.
And it did get under. No problem.
Yeah.
The overpass.
Hood's got a wee bit of a ding in her, but I don't know if we're saving that or not. It's got a pretty straight bumper on it though. Hey, that bumper's not bad.
No, it is good. Yeah.
Don't bend the bumper.
That's a good. That's a good. And the grill's good.
It's got a good grill.
The FORD's good.
Yes.
Yeah. All the light on this side.
I think I need that amber light. I think I've only got the
Yeah, there you go.
other side. I can't remember which side I need.
That bumper in itself's worth something.
Yep.
Or if somebody needs it. Yeah. Oh, it's good.
Oh! I cannot believe how tangly this is back here. It's like I can't get there from here. Geez, it's even got mud flaps on her. Windshield is toast.
The front wheels are seized.
Yeah. One way to clear the bush, just use a truck. Yeah. Oh, okay.
40-year-old air in those tires.
It probably is.
Yeah.
Well, I can see there's no engine in there, and it looks like a standard transmission, probably a 3-speed. by the way their wheels are skidding, I would assume that the kingpins are seized as well. That's to be expected. Sounds like the Titanic going down.
She's groaning and moaning. Yes. I think it was the iceberg. I think it was an underground mountain.
This is the last one of the Fords that was in the bush that we needed to get out. Most of it will be scrap, but I think there's some good usable parts on this, like that front bumper and that grill. Not bad. Anyway, bye for now.